Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer payroll settings to Gusto, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start transferring payroll settings to Gusto, first, log into your Gusto account. Navigate to the Settings tab on your dashboard. From the Settings menu, select Payroll Settings. Next, locate the Import Payroll option. Click on Import Payroll to initiate the transfer process. You will see prompts to upload your current payroll data. Prepare your payroll data in a CSV or Excel format, ensuring all required fields are filled out correctly. Once your file is ready, return to Gusto and select Choose File to upload. After selecting your file, click Continue to proceed with the import. Gusto will display a preview of your payroll data. Review this preview to ensure all information is accurate. If there are discrepancies, follow the prompts to correct them. Once satisfied with the preview, click Confirm to complete the transfer. Next, set up your employee details by adding new employees or reviewing existing ones. Ensure that each employee's tax information is correctly entered. Verify that pay schedules are aligned with your previous payroll settings. Go to the Tax Settings section to review state and federal tax configurations. Update any necessary tax information if changes are required. When everything is confirmed, proceed to the Preview Payroll section. Follow the prompts to run a test payroll for accuracy. If your test payroll runs smoothly, you're ready to start using Gusto for your payroll. Finally, familiarize yourself with the Gusto dashboard to manage ongoing payroll tasks effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.